In today's video, we're going to take a look at how you add integers using a number line. First, let's review what an integer really is. An integer is a whole number or a counting number, and its opposite. 0 is also an integer. Fractions and decimals, however, are not integers. When looking at a number line, you can see, like the example we have here, that your positive numbers go to the right, your negative numbers go to the left. Likewise, when you're adding a positive integer, you're going to move along the number line to the right, and when you're adding a negative integer, you're going to move along the number line to the left. Let's walk through a couple of examples of how this works. Example 1, what is positive 5 plus negative 3? Well, the first step is going to be to identify where is positive 5 on our number line, and we have that right here. If we're going to add negative 3, that means we're going to move to the left 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. That gives us positive 2. So positive 5 plus negative 3 is equal to positive 2. Let's look at the second example. What is negative 8 plus positive 4? Let's go down here and find negative 8, and we're going to move to the right 4 spaces because we have a positive 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see we end at negative 4, so negative 8 plus positive 4 is equal to negative 4. Now that we've been through 2 examples, try this bonus one on your own. Drop your answer in the comments. Using a number line, can you figure out what is negative 6 plus positive 4? This video gives you a basic understanding of how to add integers using a number line. If you want some more practice with adding integers, check out my extra practice problem video. In that video, I go over more examples, some that are tougher, and I'll walk through some tips and tricks to help it make it easier and faster. Good luck! If you found the video helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and a subscribe as it helps the channel grow. If you have a topic you want to see covered, drop me a comment below and let me know. And as always, thanks for watching.